You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.